What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rydah coming at you with a brand new video. Today we are going to be taking a look at a case I recently received from a company called Pitaka. Pitaka was kind enough to send me this case, so huge shout out to them. This is the MagEZ Case 2 for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. What I love about this case is that it's slim yet durable, it's MagSafe compatible, and made from smooth textured aramid fibers. Alright, so right over in the front, you can see that this case is made from genuine aramid fibers. It is MagSafe compatible, super light, weighing only 27.40 grams, and it's super thin, just at 1.4 millimeters thick. Right over on the back, we got some more information about the case. As I mentioned before, it is made from aramid fiber, so that is bulletproof material, slim and protective, okay? I also mentioned earlier how it is MagSafe compatible. So if you got that magnetic wireless charger, you're good to go. That being said, this case is also wireless charging friendly. The magnets are precisely placed within the case, ensuring the phone's wireless charging function is never affected. That's great. I love it. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Pitaka Alternative Tech Life. Over on the back, we do have a description of what Pitaka is. So Pitaka uses distinct materials and designs to create exceptional everyday carry accessories and wireless charging devices. I really love what Pitaka does. The quality is always there. Let's get this thing opened up. Alright, so right off the bat, you're presented with a nice case and some instructions on how to remove the case. I know it could be a little difficult getting these cases off. I've had one for my S21 Ultra and my Note 20 Ultra as well, so I know they can be a little tricky to get off because they are snug on the phone. So Pitaka does give you a little demonstration on how you take that off. All right, so let's go ahead and get this case out of the box. All right, and let's just take a look at it real quick. So as mentioned before, this case is MagSafe compatible. That's what this circle is, as well as this little pill-shaped cutout. That's where the magnets are inside the case. So it's a super thin case, and somehow they managed to get some very strong magnets in there. Don't know how they do it, but they did it. All right. And so down over at the bottom, you have a cutout for your S Pen, as well as your speaker and charging port. I'll be honest, one thing I'm not liking is that the charging port doesn't have any protection on the top. It's just kind of open, but it's not really a big deal. But yeah, I wish it was just completely closed off over at the top. So right on the right side, we have a cutout for the volume rocker and power button. Over at the top, we have a cutout for the microphone. Nothing on the left side because there's nothing on the left side of the phone. And then right on the back, we do have a cutout for the camera. They did not go with individual camera cutouts. They rather push some P, so that's where we're at. Down at the bottom, you have your Pitaka branding, and all around, the whole case is just built on those aramid fibers. So it's got that nice bulletproof carbon fiber look to it. I like it. I think it's cool. All right, and so here's my S22 Ultra wirelessly charging now. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and put the case on. And that is the skin on my phone, by the way. The way I like to put these on is I like to put the phone from the bottom in first, so you can get your S Pen in there and lined up, and then you just snap it right in. It's already on, and we're good to go. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the phone looks like in the case. Do you have access to your S Pen? You got your speakers, charging port, and bottom microphone. Easily accessible and good to go. Over on the right side, we have our volume rocker and power button. Easily clickable, no problem at all. And a perfectly cut out microphone hole. So now that we're looking at the back, you have your camera cutout and it's just looks great. I'd rather a individual camera cutout, but you know what, this does not look bad at all. Looks great to me. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and test out the wireless charging. As we saw earlier, it was charging fine with no case, so let's see what happens with the case on. And you can see that this case is wireless charging friendly. So now that we took a look at what the case is all about and how it looks like on the phone, we tested the wireless charging, it's all good to go. I'm going to give you guys a further look at this case while I'm out and about taking a walk. Alright guys, well thank you for watching my video. As I said earlier, huge shout out to Pitaka. I really appreciate you guys sending out this case. I really love it. I'm actually going to order myself a MagSafe car charger because I really want to take advantage of those magnets and wireless charging functionality. I think it's great. I'm excited to see what you guys have coming out in the future. But yeah, thank you everybody for watching this video. Peace.